have to be successful.
Don't waste your precious time. How to make the most of every moment. Time is arguably our most valuable resource, yet it's also the one we often squander without much thought. In a world filled with distractions and obligations, it's easy to lose sight of how precious our time truly is. However, by adopting a few simple strategies, you can maximize your time and live a more fulfilling life. 1. Set clear goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to drift through life, wasting time on activities that don't align with your values or aspirations. Take the time to define what you want to achieve in both the short and long term. Break these goals down into manageable tasks and prioritize them accordingly. 2. Practice time management. Effective time management is crucial for making the most of your day. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, and time-tracking apps to organize your schedule and stay on track. Identify time-wasting activities such as excessive social media usage or aimless web browsing, and limit them to designated periods. 3. Learn to say no. Saying yes to every request or invitation can spread you thin and leave you with little time for the things that truly matter. Learn to politely decline opportunities that don't align with your priorities or bring you joy. Saying no allows you to focus your time and energy on activities that contribute to your overall well-being. 4. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional health is essential for maximizing your time. Make time for activities that rejuvenate and energize you, whether it's exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. Remember that investing in self-care ultimately allows you to be more productive and present in other areas of your life. 5. Embrace the power of focus. In today's hyper-connected world, it's easy to become overwhelmed by constant notifications and distractions. Practice the art of single tasking by focusing on one task at a time without interruption. Set aside dedicated blocks of time for deep work, during which you can fully immerse yourself in a task without distractions. 6. Reflect regularly. Take time to reflect on how you're spending your time and whether it aligns with your values and goals. Consider keeping a journal to track your daily activities and identify areas for improvement. Celebrate your successes and learn from your setbacks, using each experience as an opportunity for growth. 7. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for shifting your perspective and appreciating the value of each moment. Take time each day to reflect on the blessings in your life, whether it's your health, relationships, or opportunities. Cultivating gratitude helps you stay present and mindful, making every moment feel more meaningful. Conclusion. Time is a precious and finite resource, and how we choose to spend it ultimately shapes our lives. By setting clear goals, practicing effective time management, prioritizing self-care, and embracing focus, you can make the most of every moment. Remember to regularly reflect on how you're spending your time and cultivate gratitude for the abundance in your life. By doing so, you'll live a more fulfilling and purpose-driven existence, making the most of every precious second.